Hi everyone. In this video, I wanted to share how I use a specific ChatGPT prompt to help me prepare and pass AWS Solution Architect, Associate, and Professional, both of the exams. So first of all, I'll show you guys that I actually passed it. So this is the certification dashboard, and I'm gonna go over here, certification status. As you can see, I passed both Certified Solution Architect Associate as well as Professional. Now, this one is classified as one of the most challenging AWS exam out there. So, I used a specific ChatGPT query to specifically pass Associate and Professional. I did not use it on the developer. Uh, but in professional, the more advanced it became, the more it actually helped the ChatGPT prompt because I used practice tests by Stephen Marek and Tutorial Dojo. Most of the time they were good, but what I found is that this specific ChatGPT prompt is really simplified and organized it in a way that was really easy to understand the concepts. So let's go over the ChatGPT prompt. I'll give you a small demo on how I actually use it. And first of all, the thing is, you have to read the theory. So you have to go over Stephen Merrick video, first of all, the Udemy course. That one you have to do. So once you learn the theory, next is the practice exams. So when you're going over the practice exam with from Tutorial Dojo or Stephen Marek, you can use this chat GPT to help you understand different concepts as well. And sometimes I found that this chat GPT model training, when I compared it, I realized that the training now in 2025 is so good that sometimes the answers when I was comparing with Tutorial Dojo or Stephen Marek, the chat GPT answers were way more easier to understand and very comprehensive and organized. So I wanted to share this because you might want to also do that because I had quite good success with it. So let's go ahead and I'll show you how I actually use the prompt. So here's ChatGPT, and here's a sample question, practice test question that I created with ChatGPT. So what I'll do is this is an AWS Cloud question. I'll just copy over this question and I'll go over ChatGPT. And here's the prompt. And in the prompt, basically, if you see the prompt, what I ask us to do is because a lot of these practice test questions, especially the advanced one in the professional, we have a lot of concepts in the question. So in order to properly answer the question, you really have to understand all the concepts as well. So what I asked ChatGPT to do is first explain the concepts discussed both in the question and the answers. So first it's going to discuss all the concepts and then explain which answer is correct and also explain why the other options are wrong. In that way, we really digest the whole question and give you all the information that you need to help you prepare for this specific question as well as all the other ones. So let's go ahead and submit this. And as you can see, while it's given us the answer, in the beginning, what it's going to do is going to first go over all the concepts. If you can see from right from here to all the way to here, it actually goes over all the concepts discussed in the question. And this is really helpful like when you're preparing for the exam, to get all the concepts, to get familiar with all the concepts. And then it tells you what answer is correct, and they give you the reasoning. And then not only that, but which answer is wrong and why the answers are wrong. Now, if you compare this whole answer with any of the existing like tutorial dojo Stephanie, you will notice, and if you use this exact prompt, you will notice that what ChatGPT, the training is so good that is really a lot of time I felt that I should just read this. I didn't have a need to read anything else. It was so good. So I just wanted to share with you this, guys. You guys can go ahead and try this prompt for yourself too. I'm gonna leave this prompt in the description. The other thing is, the questions from Tutorial Dojo and Stephen Marek are, the best ones. So they've done a really great job in creating the questions. But for the answers, what I've noticed is the ChatGPT model training is very, very good now in 2025, and we should really be using that. So anyways, I wanted to make a short video on this just to show you my own experience in the prompt and how it helped me prepare. And if you do this for all the practice test questions, and if you go over all the concepts and the answers, you're going to have a very, very good understanding, and it's going to really improve your chances of passing the exam, especially the more complex ones, like associate and professional. Uh, so hopefully this video is helpful. So I'll see you guys next time, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.